Hey everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In the previous tutorial, I have showed you how you can create a button and hide subsequent columns in Microsoft Excel. Now in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create another button and you can unhide those subsequent hidden columns. Okay, now let me explain the situation here. In this workbook from column G and column T. In between all of the columns are hidden. So I'm going to create a button here and click on a cell on column T, and when I click on the button it will unhide the previous column. Okay, let's get started. First we are going to need a button, so we are going to create a button from insert and click on shapes. Design your button according to your needs. I'm going to give it a name, Unhide. So this is my button. Design it according to your needs, and now we are going to use VBA coding. So to do that, click on developer tab, click on Visual Basic, click insert and click module, and now write this code. So this is the code, and take a look at here -1. -1 means if you place your cursor in any cell, it will unhide the previous column, and if you write 1 here, the next column will be showed, or you can unhide the next column. Okay, so close this, and now we are going to assign those macro to this button. Right click on the button and click on assign macro. Now you can find show column and click OK. So our button is ready, and if I select the cell T1 and click on this unhide button, take a closer look here. See, the last column or the previous column is open. If I click on unhide again, the previous column will be open. So if I keep clicking, so all those hidden column will be unhidden. Okay, this is what I wanted to show you. Thank you, thanks for watching. If you need the code, click on the link in the description below. Thank you, thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.